Hitler decided that rather than have these Polish Jews under the aegis of the League of Nations, which they would fall under, he would deport them. And so we were deported. Well, after a time, the German soldiers, I think they were afraid that we might eventually run back to the German side. So they had to make sure that that wouldn't happen. So they entered the no man's land space, and a panic broke out. I cannot say for sure that they shot people, but I heard shots, maybe just shooting in the air, certainly pushing, threatening, and I relied on my emergency response. I saw that the Polish guards, there were 3 of them, 5 at most, they held someone, each of them. So I figured they cannot go after anybody else. So I ran across. And I hid in the guardhouse. That is just the entrance across the border into Poland, out of the no man's land. And of course there was a terrible panic breaking out. And people started running. Now they started running, and they ran where I had run, which is that part across the border, past the guardhouse. Here comes miracle number 2. My parents and Betty were running with the masses and saw me standing there, or I saw them. But I was reunited at that point. Could you believe it?